the ground. This evening match, which will be played between Jambuy Chala FC Tripura versus United Sikkim FC. I would request everyone to please rise up as we pay respect to our national